Now, nucleophilic substitution of pyridine. We have already told that this electrophilic substitution is more favorable compared to nucleophilic substitution. Still, there are some nucleophilic substitution reaction is observed in pyridine, of which number one is when pyridine is treated with sodium amide NH2 in presence of ammonia, we are getting 2-amino pyridine. NH2. This is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now, if we take so this is nucleophilic substitution, and if we take excess of sodium amide, then and in presence and it is heated again, it is heated in presence of ammonia, then we are getting 2,6-diamino. This is 2-amino pyridine, and this is 2,6-diamino pyridine. And here we are using excess of NaNH2, sodium amide. Excess of sodium amide is used here, where we are getting the diamino product 2,6-diamino pyridine. This is number 2, and number 3, when this 2-bromopyridine is treated with KOH at 450 to 450 at 450 temperature, 400 to 450 temperature, 400 to 450 temperature, we are getting 2-amino pyridine. This product is formed, 2-amino pyridine. All these 3 reactions are initiated by the nucleophile. So this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is 2-amino pyridine. And this reaction with sodium amide in presence of ammonia, this reaction is also known as Chichi-Bevin reaction. Chichi-Bevin reaction. This is called the Chichi-Bevin reaction. Now, pyridine, when treated with potassium hydroxide followed by acidification at 300 degrees centigrade, treated with potassium hydroxide followed by acidification, it produces this OH hydroxy product, and which on tautomerism, this process is called tautomerism. This gives us this pyridine product. This is produced after tautomerism of this pyridine hydroxy product. Again, when pyridine is treated with C4H9Li, tertiary butyl lithium. This is tertiary butyl lithium. The intermediate product is Li plus H. This is H and C4H9. And this compound, no, this is not plus. This compound on further heating, give us this product. C4H9 plus LiH, lithium hydride. So this is an alkyl substituted pyridine, or you can say it is a 2-butyl pyridine. Similarly, if pyridine is treated with the amide derivative of pyridine, CONH2, that is when treated with bromine and KOH, this Hofmann degradation reaction takes place, and we are getting this product of amino derivative of pyridine, NH2. That means this can be this CO2 group, CONH2 group can be present in any of the positions of pyridine, and on treatment with bromine KOH, this Hofmann degradation reaction is taking place, and one carbon is lost from this compound, and we are getting this amino product. So this is the reaction of the important reactions of pyridine, and all that all about the pyridine. Now that we have discussed these things all about the pyridine, and that's all for today.